See what we got here. Got a leaky pump. Oof. See, it's leaking right there. Calcium buildup probably. All right. Okay guys, so as you can see, we got a leaky water pump right here. Obviously due to calcium. This is a water pump that brings in water into a coffee urn. Yeah, this looks like a first generation. Usually the green ones are usually the first that they came out with, especially for Wilbur Curtis. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna see if we can repair it. Okay, as you guys can see here, see it's coming off already. Not sure if you can see. So we're going to remove this seal, see what's going on here. Oof. Came right off the bat, all eaten up. Let's find out what's going on over here. So here you guys can see all corrusted and roasted and whatever you want to call it. A lot of crust. So we're going to try to clean that out and see if I can get there, see if we can reuse this. So basically I had to improvise. Since the other one broke, it cracked on me. As you can see right here, it was eaten up. Yep, so we had to improvise and look at my stash. So yeah, so we're gonna make it work. Yeah. Here we go. We put in a new seal, a new gasket, and hopefully it'll work. Here we go, all back together. Now we can install it on the machine and see how it works. Anyway, because there's no leakage, working fine, wheels are turning, as you can see, beautiful.